Bluetooth receivers continue to be a cost-effective bridge between modern wireless audio and legacy stereo systems. They enable streaming from smartphones, tablets, and PCs to analog speakers, amplifiers, or any device with line-in inputs. This review examines 5 widely available options, spanning entry-level to premium, assessing how firmware, codecs, range, latency.
List number 1. TP-Link USB Bluetooth Adapter for PC. The TP-Link UB500 brings Bluetooth 5.3 plus EDR to a portable USB dongle form factor, designed to add Bluetooth capabilities to desktops and laptops. It emphasizes fast pairing with backward compatibility to older Bluetooth standards, and claims up to double the speed and quadruple coverage versus Bluetooth 4.0. This makes it a strong value choice for users who want basic audio streaming or peripheral connectivity on a PC without investing in additional hardware. Performance-wise, UB500 leverages Bluetooth 5.x with an emphasis on improved throughput and range relative to older adapters. In practice, expect reliable stereo streaming for casual listening, keyboard/mouse peripherals, and light headset use. The primary caveat is that as a dongle, it lacks integrated audio processing features beyond the Bluetooth stack. Latency is codec dependent, and user experiences will vary with source devices. For PC-centric setups, pairing is straightforward once the latest driver package from TP-Link is installed, but ongoing driver maintenance and OS compatibility should be considered for future updates.
List number 2. Bluetooth Audio Adapter for Music Streaming Sound System. eSyncN's wireless audio adapter is a versatile, plug-and-play receiver designed to turn existing stereo or powered speakers into Bluetooth-enabled systems. It supports 3.5mm and RCA outputs and emphasizes easy setup with a dedicated pairing button and automatic reconnect. It's a straightforward choice for users who want to add Bluetooth to a home stereo or PA setup without configuring a PC or dealing with complex interfaces. Performance-wise, this eSyncN unit is limited by its lack of built-in battery and its role as a receiver-only device. It performs well for casual streaming from phones to tablets to home speakers within typical indoor ranges, 10 to 12 meters. However, it does not support LDAC or aptX, meaning higher resolution audio will be downsampled to standard SBC. The user experience is simplified by a single button press for pairing and an intuitive physical control, but the absence of battery means it must be powered via AC or USB, which can affect placement flexibility.
List number 3. The 1MI-EE B06 Plus Bluetooth Receiver. The 1MI-EE B06 Plus is a feature-rich Bluetooth 5.3 receiver with long-range capabilities and support for aptX HD and aptX Adaptive, plus a 3D surround option. It targets audiophiles seeking better than basic Bluetooth fidelity and flexibility in connection options through 3.5mm and RCA outlets. The package includes a USB power adapter and emphasizes automatic power on/reconnect, making it convenient for continuous listening sessions in a living room or entertainment setup. Deeper performance analysis shows strong range for a consumer Bluetooth receiver, with claims of up to 164 feet line of sight and robust performance indoors. The inclusion of aptX HD and aptX Adaptive means higher bitrate audio on compatible devices, and the 3D surround mode provides a perceptible spatial effect for certain content. Usability is enhanced by automatic reconnection and straightforward plug-and-play operation, though actual latency improvements depend on the source device and codec negotiation. It remains a receiver, not a transmitter, and supports multiple output options for legacy gear.
List number 4. Ugreen Bluetooth 6.0 Receiver with LDAC. Overview. The Ugreen BD 6.0 receiver emphasizes high-resolution wireless audio with LDAC decoding and a Bluetooth 6.0 core for improved stability and efficiency. It targets audiophiles who want to push the envelope on wireless sound quality while maintaining compatibility with older stereo setups through 3.5mm and RCA outputs. The device is battery-powered, yet recharges via USB-C, offering up to 15 hours of playback and dual pairing for convenience. In performance terms, LDAC support is a key differentiator, enabling higher bitrate audio on compatible source devices. The 6.0 chip promises more stable connections and lower latency in practice, though latency remains codec dependent and may require watching for lip sync in video scenarios. The dual pairing feature is useful for shared listening, but it requires careful management to avoid two sources playing simultaneously. The inclusion of USB-C charging helps with modern devices and reduces clutter, though some older devices may not leverage LDAC if they don't support the codec.
List number 5. OneMe B06 Pro Long-Range Bluetooth Receiver. The OneMe B06 Pro sits at the premium end with dual antennas, long range, and Bluetooth 5.1. It adds further convenience with volume control on the device and support for multiple wired outputs, including optical, coaxial, RCA, and 3.5 millimeters. It supports aptX HD and low latency, making it a versatile option for home theater and gaming audio where lip sync is critical. It explicitly notes that it's a receiver only, reinforcing its role as a bridge to existing stereo systems. Performance-wise, B06 Pro emphasizes long-range reliability, up to 197 feet open air, and low-latency codecs for synchronized audio with compatible devices. The volume control feature is a small but practical enhancement for adjusting output without reaching for the connected amplifier. The device's broader connectivity, optical or coaxial, helps integrate modern media players and TVs with legacy speakers. As a premium option, it commands a higher price, but delivers flexibility for more demanding setups, including voice control integration via Echo or Alexa when paired through Bluetooth.